Welcome to my channel, How To Knot. In this video, I'll be showing you how to tie a figure 8 bend. This knot is typically used for general purposes and camping. Start by making a figure 8 loop in the one working end of the rope. Once done, feed the opposite working end of the other rope through the existing figure 8. Tighten and dress accordingly. This is considered to be one of the strongest knots to connect two ropes. It's an easy to recognize knot, so it can be checked during a safety inspection. As an added safety, stopper knots can also be used on the loose ends, and this knot can only be used on ropes of the same diameter. It can withstand high amounts of tension while still being easy to untie. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.